Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can send any kind of message to someone on LinkedIn. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, we have to write the LinkedIn here. So I'm going to open the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile is already opened here. So as you can see, I have already created my account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some ways that how you can send to message anyone, that how you can send message to anyone. So as you can see, let's click on the notification. I have got the notification from the LinkedIn that someone has viewed my profile. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open this profile. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this profile, we have to scroll down. And as you can see, this is the profile which viewed my profile. So let's click on this. And now as you can see, here's the details of this profile. So as you can see, the profile is here. There's no any kind of picture, profile picture, just the name is written and some details are here. So if you want to send a text message, simply you have to click on the message, and after clicking on the message, you have to write the message here, that whatever you want, you just have to write that. But before messaging, you have to buy the premium of the LinkedIn, and you will get the free trial of that easily. And you can also get the free trial of the premium one. You just have to put your payment details, and after putting the payment detail, you will get the free version of the premium for the 30 days, and you can use that. And that will be very useful for you guys. So in this way, you can send the message. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can send message to someone on LinkedIn. So see you guys in the next video.